ಇವ್ರನ್ನ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಈ ಕಡೆ ನೀವು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಸಿವ್ ಫೋಟೋ ಬೇಕು ಯಾರು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದೊಂದು ಆ್ಯಪ್ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ಸಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಸಿವ್ಲಿ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಜಯಂತಿಗೋಸ್ಕರನೇ ನೋಡಿ ಇದು ರಘುಪತಿ ರಾಘವ ರಾಜಾರಾಮ್ ಯಾಕೆ 10th ಮಾತು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 3 ದಿವಸ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ I'm Shivkumar, Chairman, Founder and Managing Director of 4.2 Technologies. We are a technology-driven company and we are into augmented reality. We are bringing out a lot of use cases on augmented reality. Because of this COVID situation, there is a crunch. People are not able to celebrate Gandhi Jayanti. So this is the thought which was there in my mind. I'm a very big fan of Gandhi ji. And that is the reason I thought, why should we not celebrate Gandhi Jayanti through our augmented reality? And this is one of its first of its kind in India, what we have done, where we are bringing 3D avatar of Gandhiji in 6 different versions. Where Gandhiji comes himself and talks to you about cleanliness. Gandhiji comes and talks to you about his visions for India. Gandhiji is coming and talking about his Dandi March. Like this, Gandhiji comes as a reality. And lot of people, as youth is concerned, even myself, I have not seen Gandhiji. Today I have got an opportunity through my marker app where I can see Gandhiji, placing Gandhiji in my house, where Gandhiji will be in my house telling about his ethics to me. He will personally talk to me. This is an opportunity where I have got this opportunity and I want this opportunity to be given for entire Indian citizen. And this is one kind of product what I have been showcased here. And second thing is, you could see there are 6 different standees. And once you take my app and scan those standees, once you scan that Gandhiji's image, every standee will talk the story about Gandhiji. One story is all about 124 countries, singing Vaishnavi Janate. And second thing is about Raghupati Raghava Rajaram. We have created a beautiful video. And we have also bought the photo journal of Gandhiji in one standee, where it showcases the childhood of Gandhiji and the school of Gandhiji and friends of Gandhiji, how Gandhiji was there in South Africa, how he was inspired to come to India and how he fought for India's freedom. All these things today we have showcased it through our technology platform, and we are celebrating Gandhi Jayanti through digitally and technologically.
I'm Madhu. I'm the CTO of 4.2 Technologies, and we have developed this app for multi-purpose, where anyone could use content in a different medium, and this is called experiential content. So you can experience, for example, today we have Gandhi being coming alive in various formats, and also the photographs being animated and capturing his entire life in a very intuitive way. And we will be having a lot of other programs coming up shortly, and I think Darshan, our CEO, would be talking more about it.
Yes, sir.
Hello, I'm Darshan, CEO and Director of 4.2 Technologies. So we have leveraged the technology of augmented reality to bring Mahatma Gandhi into this park, so that his policies, his way of living, his simplicity can be educated to a lot of people. This is a CSR activity from 4.2 Technologies, and we take a lot of pride in actually doing this activity. And also the cause is about educating people about the simplicity and every other tattvas of Mahatma Gandhi. So Madhu and my team, my entire team, along with our strategist, we have actually worked day in day out for the last couple of months to bring this complete celebration at a proper profile, okay, to the world. Yeah, that's about it. Thank you.
Sir,
Uh, the most important thing, 4.2 technology company, as you know, he is our founder also, and he is the chief technology officer, Madhuchandar, just now when he spoke, and even our CEO, Darshan, what he has spoken. The whole purpose is during the COVID time, when the youth is unable to do its usual activities of moving around, going to here and there, going to schools, colleges, or spending vacations, most of the time, they are glued to their phones, the Android mobiles. So we want to encash the opportunity of this. In which manner? To ensure, as a corporate social responsibility, we want the entire youth in this country to get the correct and also effective messages of the Mahatma, whether it is the Dandi March or whether it is the Quit India movement, the bhajans, which are very melodious and equally very meaningful, like Vaishnava Janeto, Raghupati Raghav Rajaram and all that. More than anything, for the first time in India, by using AR, augmented reality, the father of the nation, one of the best strategists the world has noticed, his messages, 4.2 technology, is taking it to the nook and corner of the country, and this is purely a corporate social responsibility activity. That is the reason in the Mark AR app, one of the best tools 4.2 technology has developed. We are ensuring from today 2 p.m. till 10th of October, no other activity will be there in the app. This entire Gandhiji's, all sorts of messages are available for the children, for the youth, and also for others to see and also have a good feel about it.